Introducing the Hoover CleanJet Volume for when accidents happen. Compact, lightweight, easy to carry. Yet with the performance you would expect from a full-size carpet cleaner. Cleaning the most stubborn of marks, leaving your carpets spotlessly clean and fresh smelling too. A powerful multi-row rotating brush bar loosens ground-in dirt for a really deep clean. The large 4.5-litre capacity tank delivers long-lasting cleaning performance. The removable 4-in-1 tool can be used on upholstery and stairs to leave every inch of your room spotless. The foldable handle makes it both easy to carry and store. The Hoover CleanJet Volume, delivering deep cleaning, yet light, compact and easy to store.